A life that truly matters is measured by how God sees us. In Ephesians 2, verse 10, we learn that every believer is God's workmanship, carefully designed by God for a purpose. We are not accidents. God created us with unique gifts and a specific mission to fulfill. A life that matters is also directed by God. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6 reminds us to trust in the Lord with all our hearts and not rely on our own understanding. When we surrender our plans and follow His guidance, He leads us on the right path and gives our lives eternal significance. Finally, a life that truly matters is devoted to God. According to Colossians 3 verses 23 to 24, whatever we do, we should work wholeheartedly as serving the Lord. When our actions, attitudes, and service are offered to God, our lives become a testimony of faithfulness and worship. So a life that truly matters is one that is designed by God, directed by God, and devoted to God. A life lived for His glory and His purpose.